Jupiter, Florida. This is the Intracoastal Waterway, Indian Town Road Bridge, and we're gonna head out to Jupiter Inlet and get a little bit of ocean time. So today, I'm testing out the brand new neon green ANCHORMATE bungee from Waves RX. This stretches between 14 and 50 feet, and of course, it's got stainless steel fittings on either end and these handy floats. This is exactly the same as the black ones, it's just neon green for greater visibility. And of course, I've got my Waves RX stainless steel 5-pound folding tri-anchor queued up and ready to go. There we go, set it and forget it. That's not even the trademark. All right, I'm gonna go try to find this anchor real quick. All right, here we go. All right, now this got another tri-anchor here. All right, go ahead, show them how easy it is. Love the new neon green ANCHORMATE bungee. Makes it really easy to see, and can't complain too much because it's Kawasaki green.
the only anchor that I'll use out here on the water. So, best design and best guys at the company.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.